Are you struggling to land clients on Upwork? Constantly sending proposals but getting no replies? I know exactly how that feels, but here's something you might not expect. I didn't just figure this out. I've earned over $1 million on Upwork even though I'm 85% deaf. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I am going to share 5 simple habits that transformed my freelance business, taking me from invisible to a top-rated freelancer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these habits are often overlooked but can make all the difference. Stick around because these could be the key to finally unlocking your success. Let's dive into the 5 habits that made all the difference for me. The first habit that completely changed my freelancing game is planning my entire day the night before. Freelancing comes with freedom, but with that also means room for distractions. You need to wake up knowing exactly what you need to achieve for that day. For me, this looks like setting up non-negotiable tasks, things that absolutely must get done, like sending proposals or delivering clients' work. Then I add the nice to have, those extra tasks that are great if there's time. By planning ahead, I don't waste energy trying to figure out what to do when the day starts. Instead, I can dive straight into action, which helped me to build momentum and hit my goals faster. A second habit that helped me to earn my first million is establishing a strong morning routine. My mornings are sacred because they set the tone for the entire day. Sometimes as simple as organizing my workspace the night before gives me the head start. Everything I need to start working is ready and waiting, so I'm not just wasting my time or energy. And let me tell you, this is huge if you're like me and have extra challenges to navigate. Being 85% deaf, I need to be fully focused when I work with no distractions. This morning routine helped me to minimize decision fatigue and make sure I'm using my mental energy for what matters the most. Sending proposals every day, no matter what. The third habit that was a turning point for me, I send proposals every day with no exception. Even when I had projects lined up, I kept sending those proposals because I wanted to ensure a steady stream of work. Freelancing can be unpredictable, and you don't want to find yourself in a dry spell with no clients. When I started on Upwork, I spent an hour every day sending out proposals, even if I was busy. This kept my pipeline full, and it was a big part of how I scaled into earning over $1 million. Consistency is the key, and don't let a full schedule stop you from securing future work. Habit number 4 is investing in continuous learning. Whether it's upgrading my skills, studying clients' behavior, or learning about new tools, I made sure to learn something new every single day. This habit kept me competitive and helped me to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Freelancing can change quickly, especially on the platforms like Upwork. New skills and strategies emerge all the time, and keeping up with these developments is crucial. Even now, I am always looking for ways to improve, whether it's through online courses, reading, or watching videos like this one. The final habit, and the one that made a huge impact for me, is protecting my time. Freelancers often feel like they need to be available to clients 24/7. But the truth is, if you don't set boundaries, you'll burn out fast. I started turning off my notification during work blocks and focusing solely on the task at hand. It's okay to say no to projects that don't align with your goals. Early in my career, I took on every job that came my way, even when they weren't a good fit. As I gained more experience, I realized protecting my time saying no to low-paying jobs or energy-draining work so I could focus on what really mattered. As I mentioned earlier, my journey hasn't been easy, from struggling to land my first job with a few clients, then becoming top-rated freelancer despite 85% deaf. I faced my share of challenges. But here's the thing, those challenges become my motivation. They push me to build systems, stay disciplined, and ultimately create a business that surpasses $1 million in earnings. And now I am passionate about helping other freelancers do the same. If you want more detailed guidance, I've created a free Upwork proposal guide that shows you exactly how I write winning proposals. You can find it in the pinned comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your challenges don't have to hold you back. They can be the driving force behind your success. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Subscribe for more tips on freelancing and make money online. Until next time, be freelantastic.